The Sharp OLED screen measures 6.18 inches diagonally and boasts a WQHD plus resolution of 3040 x 1440. More than its folding properties, it also supports the wide range of DCI-P3 colors. However, unlike the folding devices of Samsung and Huawei or even Xiaomi, it folds vertically up to almost a square. Sharp is proving that there are others and could be the key to making a folding phone with a folding screen. Sharp's information states that the screen can double up to a radius of 3 mm, although it manages to hide that gap inside the rather thick box of its demonstration device. Sharp has made its own smartphones more famous for its screen technology. AQUOS has created exactly that missing piece. In fact, we have seen patents for folding phones that fold in half or fold into a phone that is twice as long. Of course, they are only patents, and one of the biggest obstacles to their implementation is a screen that does just that. Samsung and Huawei have dominated the news when it comes to folding devices for good reason. In fact, they have products that work, and soon they are commercially available that prove that they exist.